we'll guide you through how to use Gmail tasks. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Once you're in Gmail, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a little panel with icons, including one that looks like a checkmark inside a circle. That's the Tasks icon. Click on it, and a sidebar will slide out showing your existing tasks or prompting you to add new ones. To create a new task, simply click on the Add a Task button at the top of the sidebar. Now, type in your task description. If you need to, you can press Enter to add it. You can also add details or set a due date by clicking on the pencil icon next to the task. This opens up more options where you can enter a description and choose a due date from the calendar. If you want to create subtasks, hover over your main task and click on the three dots that appear to the right. Then select Add a Subtask. You can organize your tasks by clicking and dragging them up or down in the list. If you want to mark a task as completed, just click the circle next to it. It'll be crossed off and moved to the Completed section, which you can view by clicking on the Completed dropdown. For a more streamlined workflow, you can also integrate tasks with Google Calendar. Just click on the calendar icon in the same right sidebar, and your tasks with due dates will appear on your calendar, helping you stay organized. Remember, you can access your tasks from any device by signing into your Gmail account, so all your to-dos are synced across platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.